Hi, welcome to the Complete Angular course. My name is Mosh Hamedani, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I'm the author of several best-selling courses on Udemy with more than 120,000 students around the world. Chances are you have seen my Angular tutorial on YouTube as the most popular video, and you're here to learn more. This course is my brand new Angular course with lots of improvements based on my students' feedback and a lot more content. In this course, you're going to learn how to use Angular and TypeScript to build real client apps. If you have been confused with the documentation on Angular website or lots of random outdated tutorials on the web, I know how you feel. I've been there. That's why I've created this course for you, so you learn everything about Angular in one place. First, you're going to learn about the fundamentals of TypeScript and object-oriented programming. Then, you're going to learn about the fundamentals of building Angular apps. In this section, in just 40 minutes, you will have an understanding of all the building blocks of Angular and you will see them in action. From there, in each section, we're going to dive in and have a deeper look at each of these building blocks. We'll be looking at components, directives, forms, consuming HTTP services, routing and navigation, authentication and authorization, and deployment. So if you're a busy developer and want to quickly learn the core concepts of Angular, the absolute essentials, you can simply watch the first 10 hours and apply what you learn to your work. But wait, there's so much more. So you're going to learn about using animations and Angular material to build beautiful modern user interfaces. You're also going to learn about building real-time serverless applications with Firebase. And if you're even a more serious developer, you're going to learn about implementing the Redux architecture, as well as writing unit and integration tests. You don't need any familiarity with unit testing, as I'm going to teach you everything from scratch. And finally, we're going to build a real e-commerce app using Angular and Firebase, so we can see all these parts coming together. Now, all this aside, unlike many other courses out there that only teach you Angular, I'm going to share with you what I have learned over the past 17 years of working in the industry as a professional software developer. So I'm going to teach you how to write clean, maintainable, and elegant code like a professional developer. I'm also going to show you lots and lots of common errors and how to fix them. So by the end of watching this course, you have seen various kinds of errors that you may encounter on a day-to-day basis, and you'll be able to fix them on your own. So in this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know about Angular, from the basic to the advanced topics, and by the end of watching this course, you'll be able to build awesome client apps on your own. And one last thing, this course has closed captions generated by an actual person, not a computer, and all the videos are available for watching offline. So if you're traveling or if you have a slow connection, you can download the videos and watch them offline. And finally, if you ever get stuck, you can post your question on the discussion board and my team is here to help you. So if you're serious about learning Angular and want to learn it in the most efficient way, all in one course, instead of jumping from one tutorial to another, enroll in the course and let's get started. You don't need familiarity with TypeScript or any previous versions of Angular, as I'm going to teach you everything from scratch. You only need some basic familiarity with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So take the course, watch the videos, do the exercises I've designed for you, and if you're not happy for any reasons, ask for a full refund within the first 30 days. All your money back, no questions asked. So, if you want to be that Angular developer who knows Angular inside and out and can build applications with confidence, enroll in this course and get started. You're going to build your first application in less than 10 minutes. I hope to see you in the course. You don't need familiarity with TypeScript or any previous versions of Angular, as I'm going to teach you everything from scratch. You only need some basic familiarity.
What happened? Start over. You alright? What happened? Was it me or did I do something?
A combination.
Okay, okay.